The era of intense competition in the robotic vacuum cleaner industry has truly arrived. Recently, Roborock launched the V20 series, which removes the protruding top ladder and reduces the body height to 8.2 cm. Dreame quickly followed suit and introduced the X40 Pro Ultra model, which features an adjustable pneumatic ladder. It can rise in open spaces for 360-degree navigation planning and lower in low-clearance areas. The X40 Pro Ultra also utilized dual bissell navigation technology to maintain navigation performance without compromising functionality. The official statement even points out that embedding the ladder into the body front and back to reduce the body height results in a large bleeding spot, redundant and effective innovation. Furthermore, the Dreame X40 series introduced dual mechanical arms and triple left for the main brush, side brush, mud close, as well as a function separating white and drum cleaning. This greatly expanding the cleaning area and improves cleaning efficiency. Each robotic vacuum cleaner brand is rapidly upgrading their products, creating an intense atmosphere of competition. The Dreame X40 Pro Ultra and X40 Pro models, apart from the ladder upgrade, have minimal changes. If you are interested in learning more, you can directly watch our unboxing video of the X40 Pro. However, it is noted that the models mentioned here are specific for the Chinese market, and some models have not been released internationally. We can look forward to the corresponding international versions. If you want to stay informed about robotic vacuum cleaners and their accessories, please like and bookmark our page. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next edition.